Help support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps your bank information private when shopping online. Take control of your subscriptions and other recurring payments, plus pause and close privacy cards at any time. And get $5 right now to try the service at collision.live/privacy. Our next guest is here. Hello.
Hello, guys.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good.
Go ahead and introduce yourself for me.
Okay. I'm Alex. I'm the CEO and founder of HAL. H-A-L. HAL is Siri, but instead of AI, we use HI. It's,
HI.
Yeah, human intelligence.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have an app. You download the app, and then you start asking HAL anything you want, as long as it's legal, right? And
Yeah. Well,
yeah, so and you need to pay a monthly subscription of $3.99 a month
Okay.
for have it HAL 24/7 in your phone. And on the other side, there's a network of local experts that will provide you all the help that you need at the moment that you need. It works like Uber, or kinda like using the sharing economy, so you can become a HAL, and when you have some free time, start helping other people
okay.
on a daily task, like order some food, talking about something wrong that you have, that a bad day you had, or anything you want.
So HAL is basically a customer support for everything.
For your
For
life.
life.
Yeah, for your life.
Yeah, that's it.
That's very interesting.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
I mean,
okay.
it bypasses like talking to something that doesn't always help.
Sure.
Like talking to Google, sometimes it's like, sorry, I don't know what that is.
A lot. Like
Yeah.
Siri have been around like for 10 years, and we are not seeing that much evolve that they told us.
Uh-huh.
We will see, right? So
They definitely, when they bought that, they definitely underestimated
Yeah.
how complicated the things they were pitching really were.
for real.
I think they
yeah.
were sold a bill of goods, but that's a different
Yeah.
situation. But it inspired your thing. It got your head thinking around how to make it better.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's
Yeah, one day I was like driving, and I needed a phone number for a plumber, and I'd say like, well, I can have someone that can help me, and I can pay a little bit, because personal
Sure.
assistants have been there
yeah.
all the time, but they are expensive. Like you need
Yeah.
to pay $500, $300,
Oh, yeah.
and this is like the only way we can do with that small amount of money, a small amount of monthly subscription, is using the sharing economy.
Yeah.
And people is loving the product. Like we have more than 1,000 HALs on the waiting list. People from all over the world are asking us to go there, because when you understand what, like,
Yeah.
you can earn
Yeah,
money
exactly.
like $200, $500, $1,000 a month being a HAL.
That
I
money
was
is going some, yeah.
I was going to ask, as a HAL, how the payment worked.
Well, we pay it to people, and you get paid by sessions and rates. So as more time you're are you online, because you have a staff app like Uber, and you with your phone you could just, so as many sessions as you have, and as better rates you have,
Okay.
more money you're gonna earn. That's it.
So
Okay.
on the user side, how does HAL work?
iMessage is the same.
Okay.
Like it's an app where you open and it's a message app,
Okay.
and you have an open message 24 hours 7
So
with
you
HAL.
just text them?
You just text.
Oh, okay.
You think it's a text, but of course it's internet, right? Like,
Sure.
yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, that's it. It's pretty easy. You can, after a session, of course, we have some things inside the chat app, like you have a rate after a session, it will pop up, and you have some other things, but it's basically a message
Okay.
with HAL.
Okay. Okay. So it's all in text though.
Yeah, actually, the
Okay.
users can send audio, but we are working with HAL to be able to send audio, but we want the audio to be cool. We don't want the audio, because everything is anonymous. The HAL doesn't know who the user is,
Okay.
and the user doesn't know who the
important.
HAL is. It's always a HAL, and it will always and probably be another HAL. So it's
unique. Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Because your next session is not going to be, statistically, not likely to be with the same human being.
Yeah, probably.
So how quickly?
But through your session,
Yeah.
you're maintaining a person.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have conversational memory with the person throughout a session, but when the session's over, you're with a new person next time. So
Yeah, actually, we have a tool inside that you can save sessions and add it like name. So, for example, if you wanna search the best burger in Toronto, right?
Okay.
And you ask Hal, and Hal will send you some recommendations. And after you have that, you can save them in a history. So you'll have like the best burger in Toronto. You will always have that.
right.
And yeah, after every session, it will pop up you a rate system that you can be able to rate the hall.
Okay. How quickly do they normally respond? Does it go like directly to their phones?
Okay,
and-
yeah, like we were building this for a year, and what we just finished it now and launched it like this week is a new version of the system to have a faster system.
Okay.
But it should be like 1 or 2 minutes,
Okay.
and then it's chat, and it depends on like we are humans, right?
Yeah.
So, like Uber, you should have one Uber at some point when they say, but they might have some problems or mistakes or whatever, right?
Sure.
So yeah,
Yeah. It says 5 minutes, but it can't predict traffic. There's
Yeah.
an accident.
Yeah.
Sometimes things go
Yeah.
wrong.
yeah.
Okay.
That's the same. We are working with humans, and you won't believe how gratificating it is for the house to help users. They just love, and you learn a lot from the users, and you have fun
Yeah,
with
I
them,
imagine so.
and you won't imagine how amazing people is, because like we just most of the time we just talk with people we know, right?
Sure.
If you're how like you're talking with all kind of people all the time, and you don't know which kind of people with the next one gonna be, but it's
Right.
amazing. It's amazing, and a lot of the applicants they just want to work even without payment, but we cannot make all of them the hall now because we need to grow on both sides of the
Right.
Yeah.
of the product.
Okay. So from the user side, I download the app. It's $3.99 a month.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah,
That sounds pretty easy.
it is. It is.
Here's $4. Now I'm going to start asking
Anything.
Hal stuff.
Yeah, you have a bad day. You want to talk to someone. You don't. You
That's fascinating, by the way.
you want
that idea.
Yeah. Yeah. People is lonely, and
Or,
it will be loneliest in the future.
or you're having an experience with somebody, a negative experience with somebody, and you don't have anybody that you can complain to that isn't also connected to that person.
Yeah.
You just need to vent.
Yeah. A lot of people need to vent a lot of stuff. Yeah, and we like even we already have suicide cases, right?
Oh,
When
yeah.
people like,
Wow.
and one of the house send them the phone number from the suicide help prevention, and the user after that said, "Oh, thank you a lot. Like, I'm better now." Everything.
Wow.
Yeah, everything.
That's intense.
Yeah, it is. But we have all the important things and the guidelines. Like, we are not kidding with sex. We don't. The hall can talk about sex. They can
Okay.
talk about politics. They can talk about religion. When they are
Smart move.
they need to be objective.
Yeah, they don't have opinions.
So we are building the mentality of the house needs to be perfectionated with the time, because that's
Sure.
all in this product. The
Yeah.
house, they need to be good.
Okay.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So if people want more information about your platform, how can they get it?
Yeah, our website is halisback.com. So you have all the information there. You can apply. You can download the app. The app is on the App Store now, not Android yet, but it will be able in Android soon.
And I love the logo. When it came up in the Collision app, I chuckled.
Yeah, and it's funny because the most advanced AI made by a human. It doesn't matter that it was a movie. It was how. And we are totally against AI now, right? Because it doesn't work. It's not gonna be a human. It's not gonna be us. They don't have what we have.
And
they don't have feelings.
And sometimes that
Yeah.
turns them evil.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that movie. Anyway, thank you so much for coming and
thank
talking
you,
to us
guys.
today.
Thank you very much.
And have a great rest of your collision.
Okay, thank you.